Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Smith, and for my final project I've selected the German film The Lives of Others. This film was directed by Florian Henkel von Donnersmarck, and it won an Oscar in 2006 for Best Foreign Language Film. In my wakelet, I've attached a tweet thread discussing the movie, 2 articles reviewing the movie, one from The Guardian and one from the New York Times, picture depicting the Berlin Wall in 1986. And I've also included a trailer for the film, which I'll play for you now. So this film takes place in the early 1980s, East Berlin, during the Cold War. At this time, East Berlin is under communist socialist rule, and the film centers around the lives of a director/writer, his actress girlfriend, and a Stasi officer monitoring them. This film's central theme is abuse of state power and the desire of its people to undermine that power. Throughout the film, Stasi officer Weisler secretly monitors writer George Draiman in attempts to see if he's participating in illegal activity. Initially, Draiman is just trying to make it by in an oppressive society, but after the suicide of his dear friend and fellow director, he is inspired to go against the regime by writing a controversial article about suicide in East Berlin. Officer Weisler soon becomes sympathetic to our protagonist and risks his life and career to protect him. The film brings to light the struggles and failures of communist Germany and the power of people to protect one another against insurmountable odds. The ambiance of the film itself is consistently cool-toned and gloomy, a perfect reflection of the state and the people forced to live there. The tone of the movie is melancholy, but also inspiring and thrilling. The director does an amazing job of bringing the film full circle and gives proper closure to the main characters even after horrible tragedy. To me, this movie represents strength and overcoming struggles that cause people to become better individuals because of it. Overall, I really enjoyed this film and highly recommend it to anyone who may have an interest in what it was like to live in East Berlin at the time. Thank you.